Morning everyone, hope you're well. Look, I wanted to do the post today just because last year we did 3 or 4 webinars and my real title for the webinars that we did was "The robots aren't taking over your jobs yet." The reality is AI is developing at a rate faster than any of us really could have imagined. NVIDIA did a chip that came out 3 weeks ago that's just the most powerful thing going. It's quite clear with the new updates from ChatGPT, what we're seeing happen in China. AI is influencing jobs more and more. I mean, from a recruitment perspective, we are enabled to 4x our productivity with new tools that we're bringing in. Most business owners that I'm talking to are looking to scale, not through people, but through technology, through AI. So the reality is that it's here, it's changing, okay? And I just don't think people are waking up to that. In recruitment and most service businesses, the model is just changing fast. So every worker on the planet needs to be aware of what's going on right now, because right now we sell, all of us with service businesses, we sell on the scarcity of our skills, okay? AI is making those skills freely abundant, and it isn't all bad news though. I don't want this to be a scaremongering post, because businesses that adapt can do phenomenally well. AI isn't going to replace recruitment or communications or advertising or creativity. It's changing how those businesses are going to be run. As I said, AI can 4x your productivity without increasing your headcount, okay? So you're going to want adopters, you're going to want people that know how to use those AI tools. Those people can be found offshore as well as onshore, okay? Now the smart businesses, what they're doing is they're offshoring a lot of people that are using the AI tools, because it's saving them on costs, okay? And hiring is shifting as a result. Yes, you need onshore teams. I mean, we need onshore teams in our recruitment business, but you only want A players in those teams. The rising cost of doing business just means it doesn't logically make sense to just ramp up and say somewhere like Dubai or Singapore or Hong Kong or Riyadh, where I've got business. It just doesn't make logical financial sense. If you can get AI adoption of tools and get those run offshore and deploy them in your areas where you do business, it makes a lot more financial sense, okay? The old model is more people and more revenue, and therefore that's how you can move forward in your business, and that just doesn't work anymore, okay? You've got to consider the rising costs of doing business. You've got to consider the fact that it looks like with trade wars coming in, etc., these costs might go up in the short term, okay? The new model is smarter, leaner, and hyper productive. And yet most firms I'm seeing, they're just carrying on like nothing's changed, okay? The future isn't a trend, it's happening right now. And those who get it will thrive. Those who don't will struggle. If you're a business owner, adapt, look into AI, look into adoption of offshoring. It's rapidly evolving and changing the workplace, and I seriously recommend most people jump on board. Have a good day, everyone.